Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I will introduce a tool called Cache Windows Client, which can help you, especially the expats in China, to bypass the Great Firewall in a much faster and stable way. The reason I'm doing this is because the traditional VPN tools is not safe and stable in China anymore. That's why we use mostly the three tools to replace VPN. They are called ShadowSox R, V2Re, and Clash. Here I recommended the Clash the most. Uh, it also supports both SSR and the VMS protocols. Okay, let's go into next step. First you need to download and install the clients first. So I will leave a few links here. After you finish the installation, let's go find some server, right? Uh, Here I recommend two service providers. They are all they only support the Chinese language, so let me walk you through it. Let's collect let's take the second one as an example. Okay, here first you need to sign up an account with for this website. Then go into the top right corner. There is a button looks like a store, right? Click it. Choose you have to subscribe a plan. To purchase the plan, you may need either an Alipay account or WeChat account or a credit card, right? After the purchase, let's go into the home screen. Once again, let me translate this to English. Let's go to here. There is a button called Copy Hosting Link. Click it. Then open your Clash client. Go into the profiles. To make things more clear, let me remove those. Paste the link you just copied. Click download. Here, then it will pop up a new profile. Click this profile. Then click the proxies. Then click this button to do a simple ping test for each node. So we can choose the fastest nodes, right? Let's ignore the direct one. Maybe the fastest are in Hong Kong or Singapore. Let's click this Singapore. Yes, it will. Okay, this Hong Kong. Hong Kong nodes seems way faster. Then go into the. Oh, okay. By the way, you can also select the policy. If you can either use the rule policy or the global policy, right? For the global one means you bypass Great Firewall for all websites, including some domestic or Chinese websites like Taobao and Bilibili, right? But if you choose rules, it will only bypass the Great Firewall for the foreign websites. Okay, let's go to the general. Make sure you check this button called System Proxy. Okay, then remember the proxy port is 7890. Then let's go to our web browser. Go into maybe you want to install this Google Chrome extension called Switch Omega. After the installation is done, let's create a new profile called Clash. then we choose socket file protocol. The IP address will always be 127.0.0.1. The port is, as I mentioned, 7890. Let's apply the changes. Then we click switch to cache. Then you probably can open YouTube and Google very fast. Yeah. If this video can help, you can give me a thumb up and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you later.